How to plant Philodendron Selloum for ornamental plants at home for beginners. Philodendron flower Selloum is one of a kind of ornamental plants that are similar to the plant taro plants, but these ornamental plants have leaves that are split or torn. But the leaves that make a lot of people interested to plant this ornamental plant. In addition to its unique leaf, this ornamental plant is easy to plant and has a high adaptability. Scientific classification of Philodendron Selloum. Kingdom, Platy. Order, Alismatile. Family, Araceae. Subfamily, Aroideae. Nation, Philodendron. Genus, Philodendron. Philodendron Selloum ornamental plants can be planted in the yard of the house and in pots. Here's how to plant Philodendron Selloum for ornamental plants at home for beginners. 1. How to Philodendron Selloum flower breeding. Like most other taro ornamental plants, this Philodendron Selloum flower can be propagated through the parent plant bulbs that are in the soil. The trick is to separate and take part of the planting tuber bulbs, then the tubers are redeemed. If you want to grow faster and the possibility of growing up, you should have a sprout that has sprouted along with its roots. 2. How to plant flower Philodendron Selloum. Before planting, prepare the planting medium first to plant this Philodendron Selloum ornamental plant. Planting media that need to be prepared is a mixture of soil and compost or manure with a ratio of 1:1. When ready, plant the seeds right in the middle of the planting medium. Planting seeds as deep as 5 to 10 centimeters and then solid medium planting around the seeds so that the seeds do not easily collapse if exposed to wind or rain water. After completion of planting, do watering to keep the moisture of planting media. 3. How to take care of Philodendron Selloum flower. Treatment is done for ornamental plants. Philodendron Selloum is fairly easy, that is only necessary to be watered and weeding periodically. Do also pruning on the stem if necessary. After the plants grow well, do the fertilization periodically in this flowering plant every 2 months. So we are discussing about how to plant Philodendron Selloum for ornamental plants at home for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.